Hello and welcome to Storytextbook. I'm Emily. Today, we're going to learn and practice the past simple tense. The past simple tense is used to talk about actions or events that happened and were completed in the past. Are you ready? Let's start. What did you do yesterday? You could say, I watched a movie. Great! What did you have for breakfast this morning? You have 10 seconds. An example answer could be, I had cereal and milk. Delicious! Where did you go last weekend? You have 10 seconds. You might say, I went to the park. Sounds fun. Who did you meet last week? You have 10 seconds. You could say, I met my friend. Nice. What did you read recently? You have 10 seconds. An example answer is, I read a novel. Interesting. What did you watch on TV last night? You have 10 seconds. You might say, I watched a documentary. Very informative. What did you do during your last holiday? You have 10 seconds. You could say, I traveled to the beach. Wonderful. Now, let's talk about your achievements. What did you accomplish last year? You have 10 seconds. An example could be, I learned how to play the guitar. Fantastic! Now, here's a special task for you. In the comments below, tell me about something exciting you did last month. I can't wait to read your stories. You did an excellent job practicing the past simple tense with me today. Remember, the past simple tense is used for actions or events that happened and were completed in the past. Keep practicing, and you'll get even better. Don't forget to subscribe to Storytextbook for more fun and educational lessons. Check the description for examples of today's activity. See you next time. Bye.